In today's video, I'm going to teach you insert video title here. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add a phone link inside your email so readers can tap and call you instantly on their mobile devices. This is a small change that can make a big difference in response rates, especially for service-based messages or time-sensitive promotions. Start by heading to the campaign section on the left sidebar. This is where all of your email projects live. If you manage multiple campaigns, take a second to confirm you're opening the correct one so your edits go to the right place. Open your email campaign and click Edit Design. This takes you into the editor where you can make visual and content changes. Give the template a moment to load, and make sure you're in the content area rather than just a preview, so your toolbar options are available. Next, click the specific text or button where you want to add the phone link. If you're working with a text block, place your cursor inside the sentence that will host the link. If it's a button, select the button element so its settings appear. Highlight the exact text you want to be clickable, such as "Call us" or "Call now." Keep it short, clear, and action-oriented. If the text is part of a longer sentence, only highlight the part you want linked. This helps accessibility and makes it obvious to readers what will happen when they tap. Click the link icon in the toolbar. It often looks like a small chain or hyperlink symbol. A link panel or field will open, giving you a place to enter the destination. If you don't see the icon, double-check that your text is still highlighted or that your button element is selected. In the link field, type your phone link using the proper format. Use TEL, followed by your full phone number, including country code if needed, with no spaces or dashes. For example, TEL + your number. Here. This tells email clients and mobile devices to initiate a call when someone taps the link. Keep in mind that while most mobile email apps handle phone links well, desktop readers may see a prompt to choose a calling app instead. After entering the phone link, confirm your changes in the editor so the link is saved. That's all it takes. With these quick edits, your audience can reach you with a single tap, making your emails more interactive and effective without changing your overall design.